Hey guys, welcome back to Realistic Gadget Tips and Tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create YouTube logo animation like this. Before we move over to Cinema 4D, a quick message: sponsor of this video, OPPO Reno 4 Pro.
My world is endless, I have my freedom.
3D borderless sense screen. Sense the infinite. OPPO Reno 4 Pro.
Without further ado, let's jump back to the tutorial. First of all, go to Menu and select Floor and Background. And then, create New Material. Double-click. After that, choose Color. Uncheck Reflectance. Choose Texture. Select Gradient. In Gradient, change Type to 2D Circular. Choose Start Color White. And Color to Little bit dark. Click OK and close. Now drag the material to background. Then hold Ctrl and drag it to floor. And again right-click the floor and choose Cinema 4D tags and select Composite. Now uncheck Scene by Camera and check Composite Background. Click Render and see you will get infinite background like this. Now select Cube. Click for View Panel. And raise the cube above the floor. Now adjust its size, I do. Click Display and select Grow Shading Lines. Now select the cube. Click Object and increase segments to 5. Now select the cube, hold Alt and click Subdivision Surface. Now change the subdivision editor value to 5. Turn off the ground shading line. You will get nice smooth bevel like this. Select a cube. Click Coordinate and adjust its value as I do. Now go to MoGraph, select Mode Text. Type U. Adjust its position. Rename text as U. And again, repeat the same step for second text, I do. Hide the cube. And click the text and select Caps, change it to Fillet Caps. Change step value 5 and radius to 3. And same for the end fillet cap. and click the text and select caps, change it to fillet caps. Change step value 5, and radius to 3, and same for the end fillet cap. Raise the text above the floor. Now turn on the cube. Now click the 4 view panel. Select the cube. Place it over the text in front view, and then adjust its length and height to cover the text. And in right view, select the move tool and drag it a little bit right, same as I do. That's it, friends. It's easy. Now move down the floor, little bit lower, and adjust the text. Now create new material. Choose color to black. And drag it to text view. Then again, create new material. Change the color to red and close. Drag it to cube. Now render and see, you will get nice YouTube text logo with infinite background, like this. Now go to render settings. Click anti-aliasing. Change it to best. Click output and change resolution to 100. Change in frame rate to 30. Click save. Change the format to PNG. And check the alpha channel. And close the window. Now render and close the window. Now we are going to After Effects and animate the text. Create new composition. Check the comp width and height. And change frame rate to 30. And then click OK. Import the rendered PNG. Now drag it to timeline. Go to layer. Click new solid. Now go to effect. And create gradient ramp. Change it to radial ramp. And swap colors. Now hold shift and drag the start of ramp position down. And end ramp position down, as I do. You will get nice infinite background, similar to Cinema 4D. Now drag the solid layer below the PNG layer. Now we are going to animate the text using simple plugin called Animation Composer, which will be available for free. This link below in the description, you can download. Now go to Window, choose Animation Composer. Click Transition Presets. And again, click 2D Layer Transformation. In that, click Position and Scale. After that, choose Overshoot Position and Scale to. Drag it to Apply as in. And again drag it to Apply as out. We have to adjust timing. Now go to PNG layer and hold shortcut Ctrl-Shift-E to cut the layer. And then click second layer. Go to Animation Composer and remove Out Transition. And again, select first layer. Go to Animation Composer and remove In Transition. Now adjust the first layer. Left click and short the timing. Now reduce the timing for second layer, as I do. Now play and see. It is looking perfect. Now select the both PNG layer. Right-click. Pre-compose and rename it as Animation In and Out. And press OK, then close. Select Animation In and Out layer, and switch on the motion blur. And go to Effects, Presets. Type Motion Blur. Now drag the effects on the selected layer. Now decrease the motion blur samples value to 5. Now play and see. Our motion blur effect is looking better now. Go to Effect Presets. Choose Levels. Drag it on the layer. Adjust it a little bit left. And then right, as I do. Now, RAM preview and see. The final result, it is looking awesome. As we expected. Let's export our comp and see the final result. That's it, friends. Here is our final render output video. Let's click and see. Wow. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks again for watching Ralstic tutorial, and I hope to see you back soon.